Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a open some happy mail that I got from my friend Gina with Pretty Paper Dreams. She's on Instagram and look how pretty that is. I'm trying to cover the address. But how pretty is that? The packaging. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Wow. I just love embossed paper. It's so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my, look what she sent me. I can't believe she sent me one of her flowers. Oh wow. It's so pretty. She's like the queen of shaker tags. So she did this little flower. Actually, it's a good size flower, but she did this little flower with the shaker petal inside, and it's so pretty. Oh wow, I'm kind of speechless that she sent me one of these. Oh man, those are so pretty. And how cute is this? Wow. Okay, so this opens up right here. This is clever. Wow, this is so pretty. It's like, oh wow, I love this. How beautiful is that? It's a snippet roll. It is so stunning. And wow, this is just so beautiful. I can't believe she sent this to me. Wow. These take so much time. A lot of these are just so detailed. That is so beautiful. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's so, so pretty. Oh, wow. I'm just, how pretty is that? Those colors are so nice. Oops, and I'm off camera. This is so cute. Wow, I just love those. Look at those buttons. Those are so beautiful. Those are so pretty. And look at that. It's all sparkly. Wow, this is so pretty. So look at that trim. It's so beautiful. Oh my. The paper is so beautiful with the little flowers. Everything's packaged so pretty. And there's a little doily that's so beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. I kind of want to make something now with just this. This is all like so lovely. And that's a really beautiful colors. This is really beautiful. Wow. Oh, and look at this. That's so pretty. Wow. That's just stunning. And oh, I love this. I love this color. It's so beautiful. That's so pretty. It goes so well. Like everything just goes so well together. Look at that. Such a pretty kit. This is so pretty. She always has like the prettiest fabrics. That's so beautiful. And then, oh, how cute is this? It's so tiny. Don't mind my nails and my fingers. I've been dyeing all paper dyeing. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow. That is just so sweet. Okay, I'm off camera again. How pretty is that? Wow, and how cute is this little pouch? This is so special. That is so beautiful. I can't even. Wow. Okay, and so then this is really nice. This is okay. So pretty. Oh, and look at these. These are so pretty. Oops, let's see. How pretty are these? Wow. That is just so pretty for a journal. How beautiful is that? Ah, Bon Marché. That's so pretty. Wow. And this is just beautiful. Wow. I love that. That is so pretty. I'm like blown away how everything is so beautiful. Okay, and then there's some vintage wallpaper. How pretty are those flowers? And you know what? I've been dyeing some paper. Look at that. That looks pretty good together. Oops. That is so pretty. Vintage wallpaper. And then those are so pretty. I love the roses and the swans. Those are beautiful. Wow. Those are so pretty. Look at that. That is so beautiful. And then some birds. Ooh, this is so pretty. So beautiful. Everything is so pretty. Everything is like put together so nicely. Look at that butterfly. It's so pretty. And oh, the last hope. How pretty is that? I like that title. That's so nice. And I love music sheets. They're just special to me. And I love that song too. And how cute is this? How cute is that? I love vintage images. That is so pretty. That's so cute. And then this, oops. Okay, how pretty is that? I love the yellow. They're both so pretty. Then some French. Oops, I don't know why I always do this. I always forget. And some, it's like in French book page. So pretty. And then, let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. Let's see. I'm gonna go like this so you can see it better. That's really pretty. And how pretty is that bird? That's so nice. These are all such pretty pieces. Now Gina is on Instagram. You guys want to go follow her. She actually has kits like this for sale. Work is so beautiful, as you can see here. Like these they're such beautiful inspiration pieces. Like all these pieces will look so great in a journal. It's like perfect. I'm gonna have everything I really need to get started with all these colors. They're so pretty. Wow. And this is so pretty. That's just beautiful.